So you've discovered narcissism. You've done your research. You get it. You identified the person in your life who, no matter what you do, you can never please them, never make things okay. You get it. Now what? Now what are you going to do? What's your next steps? Because I'll tell you something. You can read all the books you like. It doesn't mean you're going to get over it. My encouragement to you is take the next step. Join me and my team for Narcissistic Abuse Awareness Day. We have a 3-day challenge this month designed to help you with education, support, and most importantly, coping skills and tactics. We need coping skills and tactics, but we also need to understand the deeper reasons that go on in terms of our trauma and how we've learned to be nice to people in the hope that being nice would get us the outcome we want. But you know it's not worked. Join the challenge.